Campingaz. That's the gas cartridge and that's the burner. They are sold separately. So this is the CV300. It's butane and propane, and it's 240 grams. It has a valve inside, so you just take that off. It does not have a thread on it. Okay, and it's made in France. 240 grams. And this is the burner itself. It has a valve. This is the gas cartridge itself. These can be folded, those metal parts, and that's the burner with the holes on it. So there are three types. CV470, that's the largest one. CV300, this is the medium size, and a smaller CV270. You just press it down, this one, and rotate it. So push it down and rotate it. It should boil 1 liter of water in 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 175 grams, maybe it's this one. Direct pressure butane. You have to use it with this Campingaz. Compact, light, easy to carry and store. Easy click plus connection. Connect and disconnect the cartridge in a few seconds. So you can take off the burner. It does not have just a hole, it's not piercing it, and thus it would escape. So this has a valve. You can remove the burner from the cartridge, and that's it. Let's take it apart. So that's inside. We have some paper, the burner with another paper, and that's it. The box is empty. So it has a pretty big paper. We have a drawing, so it has that valve. You can increase or decrease the size of the flame. That's the burner itself. These are the holders. That's the connecting. For that part, you can decrease or increase the size. You can rotate these three things. You have to give it a match, a light, a spark. It has no ignition. So to install it, first push the cartridge into the burner, then twist it. To remove it, first twist it and then pull it out. So it looks like this. You can rotate these. That is not moving. This is moving to the right, and that's to the right. This is moving, it's rotating, and it's blocked. There it goes further. It's spring loaded. Plus and minus to the right. So you close it that way and you open it to the left. So let's close it. We have to remove this somehow. Campingaz direct pressure butane. This appliance must be used exclusively with Campingaz cartridge CV270 plus, CV300 plus, CV470 plus. It's a plastic. So let's open it. The first one is the most sturdy one. These are moving a little bit. Push it down. It pushes these side elements. So these are holding. They go inside there. And rotate it. Click. Now the gas should flow. Yes, it's flowing. So to remove it, twist it, makes a click, and remove it. It smells like gas. push and rotate to the right. And it's working. Let's remove this ring. Here we have a lighter. The flame is invisible, but ouch, there's definitely heat. It's burning. I cannot see the flame. Yes, it's burning. There's something, ouch, something visible on the other side. Will the air blow it out? Yes, it's not hot at all, so we can blow it out easily. Now, is this hot? Yes, it's hot, so don't touch it. So after using it just a few seconds, it's hot even down here also. You cannot touch it. So this can be stored that way. It should not come out, but obviously when you're using it, put it this way. These plates are not too strong. As you can see down there, it's much thinner. I just corrected the position of one and it bent easily. So don't put a huge weight on it, don't push it, don't force it. The manual contains 19 languages. This side and that one is holding it from the inside not to fall out, and those 4 on the side are blocking this one. And when you're putting it in, you press it there and then it goes past this one that's making the click sound when you are pushing it in. So push in, twist it, makes a click, and makes a click. When that thing breaks, it won't make a click. This will not come out totally. This has some mesh inside, that's probably against backfire. There's a hole in it. The air is mixed with the gas that is coming from below, so that the air-fuel mixture will be perfect. They have some rings down here. Those are sliding. Push and twist. These 3 arms are not exactly perfect. It can fall off pretty easily. For example, if the handle is on this side, it won't stay. You have to put it parallel with that one, and then it stays. As you can see, there is some wind. It's pretty windproof, but there is not enough heat. It's barely warming up. Flame is small, there is not enough heat. So the size of the burner, the diameter is pretty small. That's a disadvantage, but at least it is pretty windproof. As you can see, the leaves are moving and the fire is still lit. Now, by the way, I can keep my hand above it. Where's the heat? It's not burning me. It's not making heat. This is a weird stove. Look, my hand is above it. So why is this not giving enough heat? Here's a comparison. This is from Primus and it's much bigger compared to this one, which is from Campingaz. Large, a lot of heat, small, much less heat, and it's concentrated in a small location.